There's a theory out there about a sound that make you shit your pants. There's a noise out there that played right will make you dance. And we all know that we just have no choice. We've gotta find this note so we can find the brown noise. So like we said, we're gonna play a note. F sharp major maybe, but we just don't know. There's a sound out there that's gonna make you shit your pants. Now we've gotta find out, cause we wanna take the chance. The brown noise isn't something that you should take light. Gonna play this note so you shit yourself tonight. So if I go crazy from listening to the brown noise, will you all please remind me that there was just no choice? Now I've gotta find that note that'll make me shit myself. Now I'm sitting here in shitty pants in my own hell. It's times like these when I think maybe the joke's gone too far, and I find myself kinda laughing a little too hard. Gonna find this note that's gonna make you shit your pants. Then I'm gonna laugh while I see you do the shitty dance. So if I go crazy from listening to the brown noise, will you all please remind me that there just was no choice? And I've gotta find that note that'll make me shit myself, as I'm sitting here in shitty pants in my own hell. And if I go crazy from listening to the brown noise, will you all